It's very interesting to see when I will do the first video here without talking about Donald Trump. Currently, it's impossible not to talk about him. And so, welcome to the Werthstein update for this week. The markets, the equity markets, are on a decision now. Decision for good economic data, and the data are solid, not too much growth so that the central banks don't have to be restrictive, but solid growth so that we don't have to be anxious. Or political risk, that with the unpredictable President Donald Trump, with the good polls for Marine Le Pen in France, and with the upcoming Greek subject, are bigger now than before. But it could be that the markets say, okay, we learned from the political crisis, if it is Brexit or Euro crisis before, when it gone down, in the end, stock markets gone up again. You already now know the new index update from Werthstein, and as you know, the Werthstein index continued to decline. We are still very cautious because we see the risks as a relevant factor, the political risk as a relevant factor, and these correction we see currently can still continue. Then in this week we have a lot of speeches of regional Fed governors, so members of the central bank in the US, of the Federal Reserve, and it could be after the strong labor market report that they will talk for a more restrictive policy, for a quick next rate hike, and this can bring the euro, what is going down currently already a bit against the dollar now, faster on that track, faster on that trend to the 1-to-1 level. So let's see what will happen. In the moment, everything can happen with this President Donald Trump. I say, first of all, goodbye for this week. One thing I can say, you will see very soon on Werthstein, on the Werthstein website, next very interesting zeitgeist, and the next update from Werthstein you will see next week. I say goodbye.